you will probably get nervous and forget some things that you know on the SAT, which is why I always emphasize to my students to know multiple ways to solve the same problem. Here's an example. We have which expression is equivalent to a to the 11 over 12, where a is greater than 0. This is a problem that a lot of you can probably solve in 3 to 5 seconds if you just know the property of square roots, that square roots can be converted to exponents. For example, choice B, which is the correct answer here, can be converted to a to the 132 over 144, and then you could simplify 132 over 144 to 11 over 12, which is why they're equivalent. But you might freeze up on the SAT, and some of you may not have even known that you could do that. So I'm going to show you a backup option that you can always use. So in Desmos, we could just choose a value for a. Let's choose a equals 5. The only restriction is that a has to be greater than 0, and I don't usually like to choose the number 1 because you tend to get a lot of false positives when you choose the number 1, so I would choose a number 2 or greater. Then we're just going to write a to the 11 over 12, and I'm going to skip some steps because I already know b is the right answer, but I'll just demonstrate. If you type in this function nth root, just typing a t at the end, and it turns into this. I put 144 here, and then I go a to the 132, and there we go. I see that I have the same exact answer.